Good. Today we'll be talking about the transport in case of plant. So the transport system in plant is less elaborate than in animal, including the human beings. Plants are less active, so their cells do not need to be supplied with material so quickly. So basically they are not active like human beings or animals, so their cells do not need to be supplied with material so quickly. Also, due to the branching shape of the plant, all the cells of the plants can get oxygen for respiration and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis directly from the air by the process of diffusion. So through the process of diffusion they can occupy the gases, that is the air and the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is basically the movement of substance from the region of high concentration to the region of low concentration. So the only substance which are to be supplied to a plant through a transport system are water and minerals. So with the help of the transport system in the plants, only the two things can be supplied, that is the water and the minerals, which they can't get from the air. Another job of the transport system of plant is to transport food prepared in the leaves to the various parts of the plants like stems, roots, etc. So another job of the transport system of plant is what? To transport the food prepared in the leaves. Foods, as we know that food are synthesized in the leaves, so whatever the food is synthesized in the leaves, that food is transported from the various parts of the plant like stems, roots, etc. The plants have two types of conducting tissues, that is xylem and phloem. So what is the main transporting system inside the plant? That is the xylem and the phloem. Xylem tissues carry what? Water and mineral. This is very important. What xylem tissue does? It carry basically the water and mineral, whereas phloem tissue carry what? Food prepared by the plant. See here, this is the diagram shown. This is a transport system of plant. See, xylem tissue is carrying water and dissolved minerals from the roots. So from here, soil, from inside the soil the roots are immersed. So from here the water and the minerals is being transported. It is going upwards. Now the food is being synthesized in the leaves, as we know, and the food is being taken by the phloem. So it is going in all the directions. See, this way. So the plants have two transport systems, xylem which carries water and mineral, phloem which carries food material which the plant makes. Phloem can also carries the hormones made by the plant in their root and shoot tips. So with the help of phloem, all these things are moved. The transport of material in a plant can be divided into two parts. First, transport of water and minerals in the plants, and second is the transport of food and other substances like hormones in the plant. So this was about the transport in case of plant.